Hello and welcome back to IT Security Labs. Today we are completing day 6 of Advent of Cyber Challenge. The main objective for this activity is to teach us how specific languages may not handle memory safely, programming languages in this case, and understand how variables might overflow into adjusted memory, so we'll actually corrupt memory, in this case in a game environment. Then we exploit a simple buffer overflow so that we can end up adjusting things that are in memory, putting our own things. All right, so this room here teaches us very well how to actually interact with the game, and also there's a storyline here. But we're going to jump straight into how can we actually understand how you can overwrite memory and also manipulate memory. In this case, they gave us this value here. They said if the coins variable in the memory value was the same as 4F 50 53, we just need to convert this hex to decimal and that should work. So Google search hexadecimal to decimal. We get all these results here. I'll just click on the second one, the binary one. Then let's type backwards. All right, so once you type, hit convert. So this is how much we will have. And say there is your answer. Now, at this point, you might have noticed I'm assuming that you read the storyline. I didn't want to read that all for you. And what is the final flag? If you start the virtual machine and go to the game, you might have seen in the instructions that you need to come. This is the game that we're playing. We can come here, and if we hit escape, we can collect coins. I got 1 coin, two coins. This is you allocating memory to yourself. Okay, and I think I can go up to 16 in bytes here. Okay, there we go. Let's just get it to O. There we go. We broke the computer. And once we get the computer, let's go and see if we can overwrite memory from other people. So far, this is what our memory looks like. Cat and mouse is our name. We're not overflowing into the coins section yet. But this language that we have here does not properly handle memory. So it's going to allow us to override the coins. And when we override the coins, we can put any values that we want. And those values will be how much money we get. So in this case, cat and mouse is not getting close to the coins. So we need to write more. And we have 4, 8, 12. And if we overwrite the 16, we should overwrite all the coins here as well. So we need to overwrite all these 4 here. So let's go, and I'll close my memory here. And I'll say I need to change my name. You come down to this one, hit space. Oh, actually, no, I don't want to buy anything. Go to this guy. Change my name. But I only have 16 coins, so I can only write 16 characters here. So I'll put 16. Okay, it won't let me go past 16. I just put a bunch of Z's. Let's hit enter. Okay, and space. Now I got a new name, and also notice that I got new coins at the top here. Now I have all these many coins. So I overwrote the coins section with random values, and those values increase my coin value. So that's the first thing, is we just overwrote a memory address that we were not even assigned to, because we put more characters in the adjacent section, and it overflowed into the next one. And we have money. But with this money, if we try to go here, let's go and see if we can buy something. These boxes here are our inventory. We have 16 slots in our inventory. So let's see if we can buy something. I'll buy item number 1. So ID 1. Let's see if 1 will show up, and just hit return. Yep. So item 1 is showing up there. Let's look into our memory here. In our inventory, notice that 1 is showing up here because I have 2 of item 1. So I know that I can also manipulate the inventory items memory space down here. Okay. Now that I know that I can override that. Let's see if we can just buy the actual item that we need. Let's get out of this memory. Let's buy the star, which is what we need here for the Christmas tree. If we say D and hit enter, it says we're not supposed to have that much money, so they will just give us a random item. So they're giving us 1 item, so sure. We got an item. What was that item? Let's check in our memory. That item was item number E. That's a random item that they gave us. And let's go back and check, where is item E? Oh, it's nowhere to be found because this is D. So item E is somewhere here. Let's see if we can then just say, okay, let's buy item number 2. Okay, item number 2 we can buy. What does that look like in our memory? The item is put by item number. So in this case, they put 2. So with this, I'm like, okay, if these values here just represent the items that I want, like 1 is the 1 item, E is item E, 2 is item E, 2. So I should be able to just ask it if I can overwrite these boxes here with the value. In this case, I need to put D in one of these boxes. So how can I do that? I can count how many we have. So this is 4 by 12, which is 48. So if I give it my name to be 49 characters and the last one being D, I should be able to overwrite this. So let's go and change my name. I need 49 characters and the last one being D. So I can overwrite the inventory and actually insert the inventory myself since they won't let me buy it. Okay, so this is my best guess. I think this is 49. I was trying to count. And the last character here is D. And D should overwrite one of these boxes in our memory. So let's return. And as you can see, actually, I overwrote more. But D is still the last one. So I should still get that item. Let's get out of the memory now. So after we overwrite all of those, just go to the Christmas tree. And then you hit that. So it looks like we got the star. Hit enter. And we get the flag. So this was really fun learning about memory. It's a longer story, a little bit more confusing for those who are new, but I hope you learned something here, and thanks for being here. I hope to see you next time.